Welcome back everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we got another fun video lined up for you. We're going to be reviewing and checking out the all-new Skil 20V brushless drill driver. Now this isn't the hammer drill, they do offer that, but this is the standard drill driver that comes with the impact driver kit that I just picked up. Stick around the end and I'll let you know a little special feature about this thing. Hit that intro. Alright, let's check out the stats on this real quick. So first gear is 0 to 480 RPMs. Second gear is 0 to 1800 RPMs. So not super fast, but also it's not the slowest I've seen either. This is brushless. This is a slick little drill. Now I like this because it's really light, guys. Got the scale here. Now for comparison, I got the Makita Sub Compact. Very similar. And size-wise, to the Makita Sub Compact, it's maybe a ½ inch longer. Turn on the old scale and see what she says here. Zeroed out, this is with the 2 amp hour battery. We're at the 4, that's a 2. 3 pounds, 6 ounces. That's not bad. Makita, 2 pounds, 14 ounces. So it's 6, 7, 8 ounces heavier than the Makita, which is not bad. Let's try it with just the tool. See, bare tool, 2 pounds, 4 ounces. That's really light. That is Makita range. Now Makita by far, this is the smallest, lightest drill driver on the market for 20 volt, 1820 volt. 1 pound, 13 ounces. 2 pounds, 4 ounces. So 14, 15, 16, 6 ounces heavier. Yeah, that's really good for weight in my book. If you're doing anything above your head, drilling, holes, whatever, you want a lighter freaking drill because your arm will wear out. I don't care what you say, how big and bad and tough you are. You do stuff above your head all day, your arm will get sore. I guarantee it. Alright, well, let's hop over to the jaw horse and see what this thing can do with some Irwin speedboard bits. See if it actually can do it or it just craps out. Alright, first we're going to test out the Skil. Fully charged up. 2.0. Drill mode. We'll see if it can do it on high speed 2. We'll start off brand new. This is 5/8. We're gonna drill to the line just because it's incredibly hard to get these out of this wet 6x6 pressure treated post. We're gonna do 4 holes and time it. On the clock, ready, set, go. Alright, take out 2 seconds just because it got stuck there for a second. Pop her down into first gear. Let's do 4 holes. Ready, set, go. Nice. Alright, so that's 5/8. Let's see if it can do. The next size up I have is 3/4. 2 holes with 3/4 to the black line. Start the timer on 1. I'm just letting the tool do the work. I'm not pushing on it. 1 more hole, fully charged up. 4.0. She's definitely getting warm, guys. So we did 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 holes with the Irwin speedboard bits, and she's getting pretty hot. Battery's cold because it's 20 degrees out here. But yeah. All right, let's bump her up to an inch. Brand new, never used speed bore, 1 inch. Using the fully charged up 4. See if we can do it on high, just for starters. Get set, go. I just want to compare the Makita Sub Compact real quick here. Full bars, 2.0. This is the 5/8 speed board. We're going to do it on speed 2 and high. Ready? 1, we'll do 2 holes, see which one's faster. Ready? Go. And my bit came out. See? That's what I want to learn while I'm using this. Does the chuck come loose? It did. I really had that thing tightened down too. That did not sound good. So the chuck itself is metal, but the gearing is plastic. I might have to take this apart too and see what's inside this, because I can feel that plastic in there kind of flexing. That's not good. Well, there you go, guys. Last night it took approximately 335 holes to kill the 2 amp hour battery on this thing. It did it pretty well. Didn't really have any trouble. A couple times I got hung up on this big knot here in the middle. I was purposely drilling into that really hard to see if I could get it to bog down or stall out, just to put some stress on it, just to see how it reacts. Now, it does have a nice metal chuck, really nice knurling on here, 1/2 inch, but the rest is all plastic. So a couple times I felt like the gears kind of might have been a little funky last night when it started to get warm, but overall, it worked well. I don't have any complaints on it that much, except for I did start to get a blister on my thumb, because just the way the grip is designed here. But that was probably just me because I was pushing down at a downward angle. Yeah, it's not bad, guys. For I think it's like 115 bucks, you get the kit with the 2 and the jump charger. It's not bad. Pick one up, check them out. They also have the hammer drill, but that's you have to get it separately. They sell, I think, with a 5, and it's like 150 just for the hammer drill with the 5, but it does come with the side handle, which is nice. What else? It's just light, guys. I really like how light it is compared to like the Makita Sub Compact. This is what, 2 pounds 14 ounces, and this is 3 pounds 6 ounces. So I think there's a 6 ounce difference, if I remember correctly. We weighed them last night, I can't remember. Yeah, really like it. LED on the bottom, shoots it up, 45-degree angle. What else? The thing I was going to tell you guys. The batteries in these are slick. They have the built-in LED on the back, so you can charge your phone. There's even a power button. Turn it on, turn it off. I really, really like that feature. I wish more batteries and brands would start to include that in their batteries. That just makes it so much more versatile. You know, kids running around, they need to charge their Kindles, their iPads, whatever they got, you know what I mean? they grab one of these and a cord, they're good to go. This lasts, I don't know, I did 3 or 4 charges of it and it still was only down like a bar. So you get a lot of juice out of this thing here, considering this is 400 watt hours of juice. Or not 400, excuse me, 40 watt hours. 400 is the size of my 60 volt battery for my Toro snowblower. Yeah, so I give it 1 consumer thumb up, not 2, it has to be a perfect tool for that. So, yeah guys, if you're interested in this, links will be down below. Check them out. Hit the like button, subscribe, stick around. Got lots of good content, guys, coming out. Thank you for all the support, guys. Can't believe it. This close to breaking 6,000 subscribers, depending on when this video comes out. Alright guys, have a great day. Till next time, I will see you.